themselves in the mirror and seeing that they're the clown. They're the joke because they wasted so much time trying to bring you down by gossiping about you, by trying to get other people to come up against you, trying to isolate you, sending you negative energy. And in the process, you became stronger and more capable. And now they're looking at you with deep respect because you overcame the impossible. And they couldn't manage to lead a normal life. They couldn't even improve in the slightest over the past 5 years. You've left them in the dust. While they were busy focusing on you, you too were busy focusing on you. And this is why